వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
Today we are going to discuss NOI Text 2, Episode 8. In previous class we discussed about just accumulating rules. The more you can follow rules, then you can achieve great success. Many people think like that. When you follow the rules very strictly, they are great devotees. That is their idea. So it's not some person's idea. So many people only in India, so many people think like that. Even smartas, even the devotees who are in Vaishnavas also, they think like that. The other school, they are averse to rules. They can't stand a single rule. Come on, what do you mean? Love, love, love. You think in Vaikuntha there is any time like that. So that is love school. These type of persons are called Sahajiyas. The first one is called Smartas. Smartas are accept the rules. When you go to Smarta temple, they are scaring. We have to accept the rules at right level. In the beginning, you try to sleep 3 hours or 4 hours, you will not succeed. For neophytes, the more success is cultivate the rules. They should not do anything. Therefore, it is very important to teacher a person who may very accountable, so that your faith may not be shaken. It is very extremely important, and if you play with that, you will not be able to come to Majjhima platform. There are 3 stages or 4 stages of bhakti. You can say first is the Shraddha stage, there is a Nishtha, then there is Ruchi, then finally Prema. So a neophyte condition who have a lot of anarthas, unwanted desires, that stage, that is a Shraddha stage. One should cultivate the faith. Anything that damages the faith, you avoid. Therefore, you don't go for reading high books and so on. You read low books which are given by Srila Prabhupada, small books, Bhagavad Gita, Chaitanya Bodhamrita, self-realization, on the way to Krishna, like that. Your faith may become damaged if you go to high books. Things may appear to be contradictory to you. It's not my saying. Srila Prabhupada says in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Srila Prabhupada says, if you try to do higher, that what you may be confused and appear contradiction. If you take guidance from too many people, it appears contradiction. One person say one thing, second person say another thing, third person say different thing, then it appears contradiction to you. That's why don't take guidance from too many people. Although they may say same thing, but different approach in language. So, if you don't accept that rule and try to become Majjhimadhikari quickly, I want to show love to everybody, you will be misdeed. You create a lot of disruption. So, Guru Maharaj is told, is very very quickly saying, commitment to relationship is the heart to developing faith. If you don't commit to your relationship, you can't develop faith. And that is the part of training. If you have a problem, say to that person, here I have a problem, but commit to the relationship. Slowly things can resolve. Then faith will develop and you may be able to overcome. You are not frustrated. But if you try to window shopping, I will go and buy this cap from this shop, this shoe from that shop, this shirt from this shop, the object from that shop, then there is mismatching. Then you look like clown. So anything that disturbs your faith, so therefore you need a personal guidance. Who can watch over you? You can get inspired by someone. Who can give guidance? But it should be with the blessings of the person who is guiding you. So that it is like matching shoes, not like that Hindi hero man, green shoes, white socks, red pant, green shirt. So it happens. Lot of devotees are left to our moment because of this reason only. So Shraddha is main. Shraddha sabde Vishwasako hai. Sudruda Nichhay. In the stage of Majjhimadhikari, the main principle that should guide the life of Majjhimadhikari is to always act on the responsible to Krishna with the body, mind and words. Tolerating all sufferings, you should extend yourself as a right man for the spiritual master and assist the spiritual master in building the faith of junior devotees. This is the main rule for Majjhimadhikari. For Uttamadhikari, the main rule is to not criticize anyone, not envious of anyone, and try to give an opportunity for Krishna consciousness to everyone. So, when you accept these rules, you will benefit. So, one should understand what is my stage. That comes later on. Am I a Majjhimadhikari, or am I a Uttamadhikari, or am I a Kanishtadhikari? You should access yourself by the help of more advanced devotees. Niyamagraha means agraha and agraha, two terms. Agraha means welcoming, agraha means not welcoming. Accepting rules only for the sake of rules, rejecting rules thinking that why bother about rules. There are two different schools of thought. Some persons miss the point behind the rules. It's always stand like this, sit like this, do that. If you follow the rules nicely, you consider a good person or a great person. And you given some position, some certificate for such rules. The other extreme is the persons who think that what is the purpose of the rules? We really want bhakti, love for good God, love for God. And all these are making lose our focus. One by one, all rules are given up. Love is free. No need to follow rules. You may do whatever you like, but you love God. This is the mentality of Sahajiyas. They want to enjoy Krishna. That is their mentality. So, I stop here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा। श्री पद्मावती बालाजी भगवान की जय। हरे कृष्ण।